Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make a crock pot dish. I've never made this before. I'm just kind of putting some stuff together. I've got some chicken. This is 6 chicken breast that I've cut into pieces. It's the ones that you can get at Walmart, and they usually come in either 5 or 6 in a boneless, skinless chicken breast. And so that's what this is. I've just cut these up into pieces, and these are going to go into my slow cooker, crock pot, whatever you want to call it, right there. And then in here I've got, in this bowl, I've got 1.5 onions. The onions were pretty little, so maybe 1 large and 1 small. I like onions in pretty much anything, so I'm putting the onions in here with the 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. I've got 2 packs of the McCormick's chicken gravy mix. I'm going to put these in here because I want it to make like a gravy, because I'm going to put rice in it as well. So it's kind of like chicken and rice, I guess, but it's going to be a gravy rice. Alright, so I've got that in there. And then I'm going to put in, I don't know, I'll wait and see. I've got one of the 32-ounce packages of reduced sodium chicken broth. I'm going to put half of that in here and see how moist it is. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to stir this up. And then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of rice into here. And let me go on and get this stirred up and the rice added. And then I'll bring you back and show you what else I'm going to put in here. Okay, I'm back. Alright, you can see I've got everything stirred up, and I've got 1.5 cups of rice in here. And I'm going to put in a teaspoon of onion powder, granulated onion powder. I'm going to put that in. I think I might put 2 teaspoons. Yeah, I think I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of it in here. Alright. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper and a teaspoon of salt, of kosher salt, in here. Alright, there's the salt. And here's the pepper. I love this coarse ground black pepper. Alright, so now I'm going to stir this up. And this has got to cook. I'm going to say it may be done in 4, but I'm going to go on and do at least 5 hours. And I'll check it and stir it up in probably a couple hours. But I'm doing this on high because it's already 1:30, and I'm just now starting my slow cooker, so, or crock pot, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to pour this in, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, so I've got it all mixed up in my crock pot slow cooker, and I'm going to put the top on it, and mine locks on the top. I'm going to set the temp is on high. I'm going to go the timer. I'm going to go on and set it for 6 minutes. I mean 6 hours. Okay. Alright, so it's set for 6 hours, and in about 2.5 hours, I'll come back and stir it and make sure that it doesn't need anything. It may need some more chicken broth. I'm not sure, but I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, here's the chicken and rice. It's kind of, I don't know what to say. It's kind of gummy, maybe. It looks gummy. Let me taste it. It's good. I just don't like the gumminess to it. It didn't come out like rice. It is still good. It's just really dry. Alright. I don't know how this is going to do. This might be a fail. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you have a wonderful night. Bye.